And a day after a mega face-off with the Uttar Pradesh cops, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra might face off with the Delhi cops today after the Congress leader said that Priyanka is going to be joining a prayer meeting for the Hathras victim in Delhi today. Delhi cops have tweeted an order of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority saying that social and political gatherings continue to be banned in Delhi. Priyanka is all set to participate in an event which is organized by Delhi's Mahila Congress unit at Valmiki Mandir in the national capital at 4 p.m. today. Yesterday, high-octane drama unfolded at the Yamuna Expressway following Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi's attempt to visit Hathras to meet the victim's family. The UP police has now filed an FIR against 203 Congress leaders, including Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, under the Epidemic Act for violating norms in view of the coronavirus pandemic. A second FIR is also filed against 50 Congress leaders for misbehaving with the UP police. They have been booked for rioting and voluntarily hurting officers on duty. The Congress, though, has alleged that the Yogi government has hired a PR agency to spread false news on the Hathras victim.
I strongly condemn the high-handedness of Uttar Pradesh police. Uttar Pradesh BJP has murdered democracy and law of the land. This Gunda Raj behavior should be condemned by every citizen of this country.
पूरा देश नाराज है और सभी दल अगर बेटी को न्याय दिलाने की बात कर रहे हैं तो योगी जी आप जनरल डायर के बड़े भाई बन जाएंगे। यह अपराध है कि बेटी को न्याय दिलाना चाहते हैं, यह अपराध है कि आपके डीएम के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं, यह अपराध है कि आपके सरकार का आईना दिखा रहे हैं।
तो जिस तरह से हमने टीवी पे देखा, कॉलर पकड़ा है राहुल गांधी जी का, धक्का मारा है, उसको गिराया है, ये एक तरह से इस देश के लोकतंत्र पर गैंग रेप है। इस गैंग रेप की भी जांच होनी चाहिए कि आप सब लोग इस देश के आपके जो विरोधी है उनके साथ इसी प्रकार से बर्ताव करेंगे, कोई सवाल नहीं पूछ सकता।
I strongly condemn the way Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi were treated. They should have been allowed to go there and express solidarity. If the UP police and UP state government have any respect for democracy, and our party has already demanded that Adityanath has lost his moral right to be as Chief Minister of UP. He has to step down. He has to go. He has to resign.
Anand Patel is reporting from the national capital, is joining us live for the very latest. Anand, there is another political face-off, looks like, in the offing this evening.
Well, absolutely, Chaiti. The opposition parties are rallying around the victim of the Hathras, and all the political parties now we are witnessing one by one are trying to go across to Hathras, travel to that place and show solidarity with the victim's family, just like Rahul and Priyanka did yesterday. Today we are seeing TMC MPs there. Also, we are told that MPs and MLAs from Shiv Sena, they're also coming to Delhi, and they will be also going towards Hathras. So it's becoming a rallying point, Chaiti, for the opposition parties to show solidarity with the Dalit family in Hathras. Now we are getting very disturbing visuals from Hathras, the way the entire village has been barricaded and the family has been, kept away from the media. They're not able to speak to the media, just like they did with the opposition parties yesterday. The Congress party is saying that the Yogi government and its police are trying to stifle the voice of the opposition parties, and the way they were manhandled yesterday while they were trying to peacefully proceed towards Hathras is a clear example of high-handedness of the police and the administration, and the manner in which Rahul Gandhi was pushed down to the ground, Priyanka Gandhi was mobbed by the cops, and hundreds of Congress workers sustained injuries. The Congress party is saying that despite all this, despite all the police action against them and the FIRs against them, they will continue their fight against the Yogi government till justice is delivered.
All
and
right.
Today also in the evening at 4 p.m. at Valmiki Temple, Priyanka Gandhi is going to take part in the prayer meeting which is being organized by the Congress
All
party.
right, we'll come back to you at 4 p.m. when that happens, and there seems to be another political face-off that could perhaps be in the offing. We'll get you the latest at 4 p.m. The Congress also held protests in Bengaluru. Here's a look at this report filed by my colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanath.
Karnataka Youth Congress is protesting and holding a one-day satyagraha.
My colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanath.
Karnataka Youth Congress is protesting and holding a one-day satyagraha, Upavasa Satyagraha as they call it, against all the misadministration of the BJP government is what they say in the last 6 years, and especially in Karnataka for the last 1 year. As the placard says, death of free speech, scams, rape, murder of democracy, ahimsa. On the left side is ahimsa, satyagraha, sarvodaya. What the Youth Congress is saying is that in the last 1 year, the misadministration of the BJP government has exponentially grown, and the recent cases of rapes in Uttar Pradesh and how their leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi were arrested, and FIR was filed yesterday when they went to meet the victim at the Hathras place in Uttar Pradesh. Condemning all such incidents, the Youth Congress is holding a one-day satyagraha here, condemning all such incidents that has happened in the last few days. These are the members of Karnataka Youth Congress here. The banners also say that they are protesting against rape, death of free speech, scam and other few issues. On the other hand, we saw DK Shivkumar, Siddaramaiah and other major leaders of Karnataka Congress hold a torchlight and walk from the same office where I'm talking from yesterday and walk till one of the Gandhi statues on the other end of the city, condemning what happened in Uttar Pradesh, that how did the leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi were arrested and FIR filed by the UP police. They sought justice from the Uttar Pradesh police for the victim at the Hathras.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.